Hi everyone, today we are gonna make strawberry salsa. This is a very tangy, quick recipe you can use with your crackers, easy when you have friends over. So let's get this done in 5 minutes. To start with, we need about half an onion. I love to add peanuts, just like a little bit for crunch. Half a lemon. Spice to taste, we like more spice, so 2 chilies. There's about 8 to 10 strawberries freshly cut, and that's fresh cilantro, just about like a handful. You also need some black salt. You can use regular salt if you like. That's some cumin powder, and that is the Indian chaat masala. You can skip this if you like. You can always add extra lime. So that's the ingredient. You can use a chopper. I'm using the hand chopper. This is a quick one to do small quantities. If you want big quantities, you can definitely use your own chopper. So to this, I will add the strawberries, add the onion, peanuts, cilantro, and then we're going to squeeze some lime. Let's squeeze some lime, adding some cumin powder, adding the chaat masala, and then of course your salt to taste. I'm using rock salt. And now we'll just chop it. That's what it should look like after it is chopped. You want it coarse, you don't want it too thin. So that's the perfect texture. And now this is ready to pour out. And there it is. The strawberry salsa is ready to be enjoyed with your crackers. Just go ahead and dig in. Oh my god, so good. Try it and tell me how you guys like it.